Hello, my name is George Faza, and this is a study that I conducted with Dr. Julie Blais and Luke Mungall from the Forensic Psychology and Personality Lab at Dalhousie University, located in Nova Scotia, Canada. In this project, we looked at the influence of personality, stress due to the COVID-19 pandemic, and academic cheating. Following the first COVID-19 pandemic outbreak, most educational institutions were forced to promptly switch to online learning, which previous research has shown might have facilitated cheating behaviors. We also know that cheating is associated with being male and having a lower grade point average. In terms of personality, the hexaco model traits of honesty, humility, conscientiousness, and agreeableness have been shown to be negatively related to cheating. That means that individuals who are more honest, organized, and agreeable are less likely to cheat. We also know that dark triad traits are associated with higher engagement in cheating. These traits are narcissism, Machiavellianism, and psychopathy. In most previous research, psychopathy is the only trait that emerges as significant after controlling for other traits. However, we argue that by looking at the unique relationships between cheating and the four facets of psychopathy, the three factors of Machiavellianism, and the two types of narcissism, we will reach more nuanced results. Lastly, we know from previous research that higher levels of stress are associated with more cheating rates. Therefore, this study aimed to examine the impact of stress related to the COVID-19 pandemic and personality, both general and dark, on cheating in the online learning environment, while also controlling for sex and GPA. We hypothesized that higher levels of stress due to COVID-19, scoring lower on honesty, humility, conscientiousness, and agreeableness, and scoring higher in the interpersonal, lifestyle, and antisocial facets of psychopathy, the antagonism and planfulness factors of Machiavellianism, as well as grandiose narcissism, will be associated with more cheating after controlling for other variables. We recruited 245 students from Carleton University in Ontario, Canada, and asked them to complete a series of online questionnaires. We assessed cheating by taking a mean score of several cheating behaviors adopted from multiple papers. We conducted zero-order correlations and 4 multiple linear regression models in which we included stress in every model with each personality construct we wanted to assess. You can see in the tables below that cheating was associated with many personality traits on the bivariate level, but when controlling for other variables, only higher levels of stress, lower scores in honesty, humility, and higher scores in the antisocial facet of psychopathy and the antagonism factor of Machiavellianism emerge as significant. Based on our results, we suggest that in order to decrease cheating, we need to acknowledge that students are stressed and attempt to decrease their stress by connecting them with more mental health professionals and resources. We should also provide students with honor codes that advocate for honesty, attempt to decrease student competition by limiting the use of grade curving, and using stricter monitoring techniques during examinations. We hope that future research will attempt to replicate our findings and solve some limitations we had in the study, including generalizability issues, using self-report measures to assess our variables, and not including other promising correlates of cheating, such as cognitive ability and intelligence. Thank you so much for listening.